Bigge operates one of the largest construction hoist fleets in the nation. Ours is among the youngest in service and of the best in class. The Alimak SCANDO 650 is our flagship, available in single, dual, and high-speed configurations. These next-generation hoist cars offer greater benefits than many of their predecessors, including greater safety, reliability, and flexibility for passengers and materials on any job site. Each construction hoist installation presents a unique set of challenges: building location, loading requirements, job site configurations, and constraints. Top-flight engineering solutions, technicians, installation and dismantle teams, and the largest fleet of Alimak hoists in the U.S. are all part of the experience that keeps customers returning to Bigge. Since 1916, Bigge has been a leader in providing equipment and services for complex building projects while meeting the highest standards for safety and innovation. Take advantage of Bigge's turnkey offerings, which include installing and removing cars, docks, ramps, and communication boxes. Our staff of factory-trained technicians and licensed engineers have quick access to parts throughout the country, minimizing downtime. Contact Bigge to learn more.